Okie dokie, let's discuss how you'll handle payments in your new lash business. So, now that we've covered the lash services you'll offer, the training that you need, setting up your salon prices, and protecting yourself with insurance, it's time to talk about getting paid by your clients. So, in today's modern world, cash isn't as common as it used to be. Many businesses are shifting towards cashless transactions where customers can pay with credit cards or debit cards or mobile wallets like Apple and Google Pay. To accommodate these types of payments, you'll need to open a business bank account with a bank that's convenient for you in your local area. And it's going to be a little bit annoying because there may be some paperwork involved and verification of your identity. But having a dedicated business account is going to be really easy for you to manage how much your new lash business is actually making. And I know it may seem a bit tedious to go through the process of providing your identity, but in the long run, having a separate business bank account will help simplify your transactions. It will help you in the long run to buy stock, to manage stock, to claim tax write offs. It's going to be better for you in the long run. So hold on and just, kind of manage through the annoying process of starting one, but think about the long term. Yeah, everything in business is long term, girlies. Okay, so before you start on this cash only mindset, it is just a pet peeve of mine, honestly. I cannot stand if businesses never accept cards and are cash only. And I'm sure there's other people that feel the same way. Over the years, honestly, I've stopped working with companies due to their cash only policy. I used to have a cleaner who made me pay her cash every week. I let her go. I chose the opposing bakery because the one that I was going to go to was cash only. Even the massage parlor I went to once a fortnight requested cash only. And I honestly just stopped going because it was inconvenient for me to find an ATM and pay the $2.90 or whatever it is to access my money. Now, I know that seems petty, but there's other people like me that don't carry around cash. So don't do yourself a disservice by being cash only. Now, I do understand trying to keep fees to a minimum. Still, I would suggest an option for customers because I believe that you will miss out on income. So to keep things on the cheap side when you start, you can set up something like Pay ID through your bank. So customers can quickly transfer their treatment costs to you to your mobile number at no extra charge. In addition to Pay ID, there's other payment methods that you can accept. For example, PayPal is a popular digital payment method, and everyone's heard of PayPal, and it allows customers to pay with their credit card or bank account, and it comes directly to you. You can also use Stripe as an online payment provider. They accept credit cards, debit cards, Apple Pay. Depending on where you are, these methods and these kind of services may require some type of setup, and they generally will have associated fees. Generally speaking, the fees are so small and you're actually making more money because more customers are going to book with you because you have online payment services. So don't just get caught up on the fees. Think about how accessible your services will be to people with these type of payment options. So, as I said, there probably will be processing fees that are associated with some of these types of softwares, but the money that you'll make will outweigh the fees. I am also going to share with you in my resources folder my favorite booking system that can help you capture payments before and after they actually hold the client's card on file. And instead of having a separate FPOS terminal, you can simply use the same software and click a button on your computer to check out clients upon finishing the treatment with them. So, it's also important to consider security when you are choosing which payment method to use, because you will need to ensure your customers' information is secure while they're transferring money online or entering their credit card details. So, different providers will offer varying levels of encryption. So, depending on where you are, again, choose a reliable and secure option to accept payments from your customers. And finally, I did touch on before with taxes. I highly recommend having a separate business account so you can keep up with your taxes. Depending on where you live, you may be required to collect taxes from customers when they purchase goods or services inside your lash business. So check the laws in your local area, or jump on the phone and speak to an accountant for more information to really understand your area and what's required of you in business.